You've probably seen those smooth camera animations, where the camera moves from point A to B, giving your scene that amazing sense of depth, and it might look complicated. But it's really not today. I'll show you how to do it in After Effects in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Make your layers 3D. Select your layers and click the 3D cube icon. And if you can't see it, just press F4. Now you can adjust the Z position, which is the third value in the position property. What this does is higher values will push the layer back while lower values will bring it forward. You can spread things out to create Z depth. This gives you that parallax effect where closer objects move faster than the ones in the back. And if you're just using a simple composition, you can just pre-compose it and make the composition 3D. Step 2. Add a camera. Right click on your timeline, new camera. Set the focal length to 35 mm. It's a great middle ground for smooth perspective. Hit OK and you're done. Step 3. Add a null object. Right click new null object. Make it 3D and parent the camera to it. This gives you easy control over your animation without messing with the camera settings directly. Step 4. Animate the camera. Go to the starting point in your timeline and keyframe the position and scale of the null layer. Then move to the end point and adjust both values to define your camera move. Try to keep it simple and effective. Step 5. We're going to smooth easy ease and add motion blur. So select your keyframes and hit F9 to easy ease. Now open the graph editor by clicking on this icon. Right click, switch to value and speed graph since it's easier for beginners to visualize, and pull the handles to create a curve like this. Then turn on motion blur by clicking this icon on your layers. Now your animation will look way more cinematic.